Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have studied in our last session students? Yes, tell me. Yes, we have done the division of 2-digit number, that too estimating the quotient, isn't it? Now today we are going to see the same divisions, but today we are going to see division by 2-digit number. Okay, divide 4-digit by 2-digit number. Okay, let's have a see one animation. Okay, just observe division by 2-digit. The question is divide 3854 by 23. Okay, now here, now see here, 23 is very big number. So this is divisor, 3854 is dividend. Now you should know the 23 table. Do you know? Yeah, if it is no, it is very good. Otherwise what you have to do? You have to write roughly 23 table. How you can make 23? It's not about 23. Any table. What you have to do? 1 multiplied by 23. 23 ones are 23. 2 multiplied by 23, then multiply 2 3s are 6, then again 2 2s are 4. In this way, with the multiplication you have to write full 23 table. Now see, keep in your mind one thing, whenever you are dividing with 2-digit number, you should start with 2-digit number only. Previously what we used to do, we used to see the first highest place value. If it is 4-digit, we used to go with the thousands place, isn't it? Now, but that time we were having divisor only 1 digit, isn't it? Now we are having divisor 2-digit number. Now 2-digit is greater or 1 digit is greater? Of course 2 digits. So how we can go? We cannot. So keep in your mind, whenever you are doing 2-digit number, whenever you are dividing with 2 digit, you should start with 2-digit number only. Okay, that is 38. Now see the 38. 38 is there in 23 table. Yes students, just have a look. No, it is not there. So what is less than 38? Yes, 23. So what we have to do? 23 ones are 23. Now what we have to do? Subtraction, isn't it? Now see, when we subtract, 15 will remain, bring down 5, search where is 155. It is not there. What is less than that? 138. 6 times 23 means 138. Write 6 on top, 133 at below the 155, isn't it? Now do the subtraction. So what will remain here? 17, isn't it? Now bring down the next number, that is 4. Now we have 174. Now 174 is there in 23 table. See? No, it is not there. Then what is less than that? 161. Where it is? Yes, where it is? How many times does this number goes in this table? Yes, 7 times 23 goes from this number, 161. Now do the subtraction. 4 minus 1, 3, 7 minus 6, 1. So this is the remaining. Now see, in this question, when we divide 3854 division by 23 is equals to, the answer is 167 and the remainder is 13. Got it? Yes? Understood everyone? Yes. Now we will move to the other example. Now have a look on this example. Okay. Now divide 4332 32 by 19. Same, just now we have seen the 23 table, now we have to see 19 table. I hope everyone know 19 table, because always I am giving the homework of tables to learn till 20, isn't it? Already you have learned in 3rd standard also. Now see, still if you are feeling suddenly you forgot the 19 table, whatever the table, so what you will do in that case? Now see, preparing 23 table till 10 also it takes much time by doing the multiplication. So how we can do the quickly division of 2-digit number? So by estimating the quotient by rounding. How I will tell you. Now what we have to do? Divide the hundreds first. See, this is the question. We have to write dividend on right side, divisor at the left side. Now 19 is there, okay, and 41. Now we have to see about 41 and 19. Now what you have to do? You have to estimate the first numbers. These are the first numbers. We have to estimate this number. Now see, which is rounding nearest to 41? At ones place 1 is there, so place the 0 without changing tens place, means 40. Now what about 19? See 19, 9 is there at ones place. If it is 5 or more than 5, place the 0 and add 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So now what is there? 20 and 40. Now try this estimate quotient with these numbers. How we can do? Now see. Now what you have to do? Close this. Close this. Now but what we have done here? 20 and 40. This is rounding, estimating number nearest to that. Now you can see, if we close these two numbers, how many times 2 means 4? 2 times, isn't it? Yes, 2 times. Okay, so with this we will try this. Means 19 multiplied by 2. We should try. 9 2s are 18. 1 will be carry. 9 2s are, sorry, 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Means 38. Now 41 is there. So what we will do? For confirmation we will go with one more. 3 9s are 27. Carry 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 57 is greater than 41. So which number goes? 38. Okay. So 19 2s are 38. Now do the subtraction. 3 will remain. Now bring down the next number 3. Okay. Now 33 is there. See, already we have seen the 13 2 times means 38. So 38 is greater than 33. So what is less than 33? 1. 19 ones are. So write 19 ones are 19. Do the subtraction. 14 will remain. Then bring down 2. Isn't it? Now what is there? See, 142. Okay. Now 142, again you have to estimate. Already 148 also. 142. Estimate number what will come? 140. Isn't it? Because see, at hundreds place 4 is there. Okay. Now what we will do? Sorry, ones place, not hundreds place. Ones place only, not hundreds. Ones place 2 is there, so place the 0 without changing the number. Again same 19, already we have 20. Now 19's rounded number is 20. Now close this 2 zeros. What is remaining? 2 and 14. Now how many times 2 means 14? Yes, 2 7s are 14, isn't it? So what we will do? We will try with 7 with 19. Now try here. 9 7s are 63. Carry 6. Say 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6. Yes. Count everyone. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Isn't it? What is the answer? 133. But it is not sure. Now what we will do? We will go with one another. With 8. Now 8 9s are, yes, 72. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 7, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, isn't it? 152. See, we have to see 142 is there or what. 142 goes or what, but it doesn't go because 152 is greater than 142. So what is less than 142? 133. How many times 19 means 133? 7 times. So write 19 7 times 133 and do the subtraction. When we subtract, what will remain? 9, isn't it? So what we have done here, instead of writing full 19 table, we have taken the first number and divisor, we have estimated the numbers and roughly we have done by closing the last digit. With the help of that, we could do fast this division, isn't it? Understood? Clear? So what is the quotient here? 217. And what is the remainder? Yes. See, what is the remainder? Is 9. Clear? Yes. Yes. I hope you understood. Now we will see the another example. Yes, divide 5808 by 83. See, very big number. 83 table, do you know? No, we don't know. So, what we have to do? First, write the number in this way, right side dividend, left side divisor. Now, 83, we have to see with the 2-digit number. Whenever we are dividing with 2 digit, go with the 2 digit. Now 58 and 83, which is greater? Yes, 83 is greater, but we cannot do because we need dividend should be greater and we should see that divisor will go from dividend of what. Now in this case, what we have to do? We have to take next number again. So these 3 numbers, 580 by 83, isn't it? Now what we will do? We will estimate the quotients. Okay, how? You see here, 580 division by 83. Now 580 estimate what will come? Means roughly near about that number if we find out. So it will be easy to solve. Now 580 is there. Okay. Now see, what is there at tens place? 8 is there. If it is 8, if it is 5 or more than 5, what we do? We place the 0 at ones and tens and add 1 to the hundreds place. 5 plus 1 is 600. Now what about 80? See, 3 is there at ones place. Now if it is 4 or less than 4, we place the 0 at ones without changing tens place. Now what we got? 60 and 80. Okay. Now what we can do here? We can cross 1 zeros to make this division very easy. So we have 60 and 8. Okay. Now 60 and 8 quotient, what will come? Yes, it is very easy. Now you have to see in 8 table 60 is there. If it is not there, see, till 10 table you should know perfectly for solving 2-digit division. Now 8 times 7 means 56, isn't it? Now what we should do? Now we should try same. If we find out the roughly estimated quotient, that is 7, so we should go with the actual quotient with 83, that is 7. Now 7 3s are, yes, 21. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. See, what we got? 581. 581 will goes from 580? No. So what we have to do in that case? 581 is greater than 580. So we will go with less than 1 quotient. Now we have taken 7. We will go with now 6. Okay. Now 6 3s are 18. 1 carry. 6 8s are, yes, 48. 48 plus 1, 49. Now 498 can 98 can go from 580. So how many times 83 means 498? Yes, 6 times 83 means 498. Okay, now what we have to do? Subtract. When we subtract 0 minus 2, we can't do cut the 0 right as it is, take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 8, he will give 1, 7 will remain. 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 9 we can't do, again take borrow from neighbor, 4 will remain. Now 17 minus 9, count after 9 till 17 comes, 8 will remain. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Now what we have to do? Remaining number bring down. Now 828. Now again very big number. Now what you will do again? 828, what is rounding nearest number? See, 800, isn't it? Now 83 already we have done with 80. Now cross 1 1 zeros, what is remaining? 8 and 80, isn't it? Now 8 tens are 80. So if we see 83 tens are, automatically we know, isn't it? We do with 0 multiplication very fast. 83 ones are 83. But what we want? 823 means less than 823 we want. But by estimating quotient, we are getting 830. Okay. So we have to go with less than 1. That is 9. 83 multiplied by 9. Now see, 9 threes are, yes, if you are feeling difficult in this way, go in this way. Okay, now 9 threes are 27. 9 twos are, 9 eights are, yes, 72. 72 plus 2, 74. Yes, this is less than 828. How many times 83? 9 times. 9 times 83 means 747, right? And do the subtraction. What will remain? 81. Here why we are stopping? Because 83 we cannot, 83 will not go from 81. So 81 is remainder. And what is the quotient? 69. Got it? Understood? Clear? Now we will start our next example. Of exercise 4.4. Okay. See, when you will start solving, you feel easy. Okay. Now what is the exercise 4.4a question? Fill in the blanks to complete the division. Okay. That given in the fill in the blanks we have to complete. Now see, 18 table they had given, isn't it? Now we have to write quotient. Wherever they had given fill in the blanks, we have to fill it. Very easy. Okay. Go with the estimate only. Estimate, find out the estimate quotient and try with the actual quotient. Now here 18 is there. So what I'll do? 18 rounding number is 20. And see, whenever we are doing with 2 digit, go with 2 digit. 42. 42 rounding is 40. Now cross 110. 2 times 2 means 4. Means the estimate quotient is 2. Now we will try with 18 twos are. 2 eights are, yes, 16. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. See, 36 came already. Means how many times 18, 36? 2 times. So write here. Okay. And do the subtraction. 2 minus 6 we can't, cut the 2 right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 4. He will give 1. Here 3 will remain. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring down 5. Already they have taken. Isn't it? Now we have to find out whether 65 is there in 18 table or what. Okay, already we are having the estimate of 18. Now we will go with the 65. 65 they are given. What will come estimate number? 70, isn't it? cross 1. How many times 2 means 7? Actually 7 is not there in 2 table, but roughly if we do, yes, 2 3s are 6. So whatever remain means 3 times, isn't it? So we will try with 3. 8 3s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, yes, 5, isn't it? But 65 is there. So what I'll do, I'll go with the another quotient with 4, 3 after to confirm. Okay. Now 4 8s are, yes, 32. Write 3 here. 3 will be carry. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So 72 is greater than 65. So 72 will not go from 65. So what we have to take? 3's only. Okay. 3 times 18 is 54. So 3 times 18 is 54. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 11 is remaining. Now 11 is smaller than 18. So we can't divide. Now here our division is completed. Got it? Understood? Clear? Yes. Now I will take third one for you. Okay. Second one you solve by your own. Now I will explain you the third one. What is the third one? 3455 division by 47. Isn't it? Now 2 digit. So start with 2 digit. Now what is there? 34. See. Which is greater? 37 is greater than 34. Isn't it? So it doesn't go. Okay. So what we have to do in that case? Go with the 3 digit. That is 345. Now what we will do? We will find out the estimate number of both the numbers. What is 345 estimate number, students? See, underline the tens place. 3 digit means rounding with 100. 2 digit means rounding with tens. Now 4 is there. If it is 4 or less than 4, place 0 without changing hundreds place. If it is 5 or more than 5, place 0, add 1 to the tens place, 50. Okay. Now cross 110. Now what is remaining? 30 and 5. Now see, in 5 table 30 is there. Yes. How many times 5 means 30? 6 times. Isn't it? But already they had given here hint. That is 7 times 47 means this number will go from that. Okay. But still we have find out the estimate quotient. But we will go with the given hint. They had given hint. Now 7 sevens are 49. Now 7 fours are, yes, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Now 329. See, already they had given, so no need to check with other number. So directly I will place this number 329. Now we have to do the subtraction. 5 minus 9. Can we? Yes, no, we cannot. Cut the 5, write as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 4, he will give 1, 3 will remain here. Now 15 minus 9, count after 9 till 15 comes. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. Now 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring down the next number 5. Now 165. Already we are having the estimate of 47. Now we will estimate the number 165. Okay. Here I will estimate. 6 is there. So place 0, 0 and add 1. 200. Now again cross 1, 0, cross 1, 0. Okay. This 2 will go. What will remain? 20 division by 5. So how many times 5 means 20? 5 4s are 20. So estimate quotient is 4. Now we will try with actual number. That is 47 multiplied by 4. 4 sevens are 28. Write 8 and carry 2. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2. See, it is greater number. We just want 165. So what you have to do? Go with the less than 4 quotient. Now we will see 47 multiplied by 3. 3 sevens are 21. Carry 2. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2. Yes, 14. Isn't it? Now see. Now 141 is less than 165. Now 141 can goes from 165. So what we will write? Quotient 3 times 47 means 141. Now subtract 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what is remaining? 24. Okay. Now 24 doesn't go from 47. So here our question will end. Okay. Understood till here? Clear? Now second one you solve. Now we will start with the B question. What is the B question? Find the quotient and the remainder. Now they are given some examples. We have to find out the quotient and remainder. Okay. I'll take first one. 93 division by 11. Okay. 2 digit by 2 digit. So write number, dividend on right side and divisor on left side. Okay. Now 11 table is very easy. So no need to go with the estimate number. So you can see 11 ones are 11. You can roughly find out. See, it is also you can do with the estimate. How? 93. What is 93 estimate number, students? 3 is there, place the 0, 9 has it is. Now 11. 1 is there, place the 0 without changing. Now 10 and 9. See, directly 10 table also very easy. 10 9s are 90. Isn't it? Now same, what we have to do? The estimate quotient we have find out it. If we cross the 0 0 also, 1 9s are 9. Now the estimate quotient is 9. We will try with the actual number. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. See, if we go with after 9 quotient means 10. 9, 10, 11 tens of what will come? 110. But we want 93. 93 is not there. So 99 is there. But 99 is greater than 93. So what we will do? We will go with one less than this number. 9 is there. We will try with 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 88. Now we have to take 8 only. Now 11 times 8 means 88. Now subtraction. 3 minus 8 we can't do. Cut the 3. Right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 9. He will give 1. 8 will remain. Now 13 minus 8. Count after 8 till 13 comes. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry. Correct. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many will remain? 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now tell me, what is quotient and what is remainder? Yes, the quotient is 8 and the remainder is 5. Understood? Clear? Yes. Now, it's time to wind up our today's session. Now what is your home assignment? Try to practice the given example in the textbook in your rub book as I taught you with the estimate, rounding the number. Now we have started 4.4. So second example you will solve by your own. We have started B question 1. Try to solve if you feel very interesting. Yes, these examples are very interesting. So for this you should know the table properly. So learn tables daily. Okay. So we will meet in our next session with exercise 4.4 only. Till that time, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.